my channel, guys. I hope you're all doing good. In this video, as you can read the title, I'm going to share with you how I do my blow dry at home and why I stopped going to the parlors to get a blow dry. So today I'm going to use a product from Germany, and this is the Grundig hair dryer. It comes with a brush and two other attachments in different sizes. I really like this product, guys. I'm going to find this product and put the link of this one in the description box down below. I'm also going to try and find another similar product which is definitely pocket friendly, unlike the Dyson one. We'll get onto the Dyson one right in a minute, and I'm going to put the similar product in the description box down below for you guys to have a look later. Now coming to Dyson products and the Dyson Air Wrap, which is extremely similar to this one. I did try it. My mother has it. I got it from my mom, but guys, that did not do anything to my hair. It did not hold my curls. It did not, my curls just opened the very same day, and that was a big disappointment for me. Now going back to the device that I got from Germany, I hope you guys can get your hands on this one. I love this device, guys, because it just gives you so much volume, healthy hair, and so much softness to your hair that will last you for days. And that is why I do not like to go to parlors to get a blow dry, and it also reduces your damage and it does not break your hair, guys. So you have to get this product and you have to get your hands on this device. And now if you want to see how I do my blow dry, please keep on watching. So I've air dried my hair completely, and if you do not have time to air dry your hair, I would highly recommend you use a hair dryer to completely dry your hair. The reason to completely dry your hair is to avoid breakage, because if you apply this hairbrush on your wet hair, you will just end up breaking your hair and damaging your hair because you're constantly pulling it, and that's not what you want. Now I always like to section my hair before I get on to blow drying my hair, and for that I'm going to start with the crown of my head and then just remove the hair and just tie it all over on top of the head so that they are not going to disturb the rest of my hair. I've divided my hair into two sections, and I'm going to go in with the thinnest and the smallest brush that came in with the hair dryer. I got three attachments with the hair dryer. One is the big, then I got the medium, and this is the thinnest and the smallest. So I'm going to go in with this one, as we want a beautiful curl at the bottom of our hair. So I'm going to start brushing my hair thoroughly from the roots, and I'm going to ensure that there are no knots whatsoever. Otherwise, they will not give a beautiful curl to our hair. As I reach the ends of my hair, I'm going to curl it around the brush and twist it all the way to the roots. Now this will give us a beautiful curl and a bounce. Once I feel my hair has become a little warm, I'm going to give it a boost of cold air, which will ensure that my curls remain intact. And after turning the device off, I'm going to just untwist it to get the perfect curl. I'm going to follow the same process with the other section of my hair as well. If you want to have tighter curls, you can keep it for a little longer and then you can apply hair rollers. But since I'm going for an everyday casual look, I like to keep them light and bouncy. Now for the rest of my hair, I'm going to open the hair clip. You can honestly use any hair clip you have. And again, I'm going to just make three different sections out of it. One on the left side, and then on the right, and then one on the center. Now I'm going to further divide this section into three divisions, and I'm going to blow dry my hair as I did for the rest of my hair. However, I'm going to change my attachment to the medium one, as we want extreme bounce and volume on the top of our head. Now I always like to work in sections because I can focus on each layer that I have on my hair, and it also increases the volume of my hair. But if you are short on time, you can just skip making sections and do your hair all together. I did the same on the right section of my hair, and now for the middle section, as we want the maximum volume and bounce, I have changed the attachment to the biggest one, and again in sections I'm going to follow the same process. Now even if you are short on time, I highly recommend you do this process, that is take your hair from the center and blow dry it, as this will give you the maximum bounce and volume you are looking for. Now I highly recommend to take your hair backward, which means roll your brush away from your face, and that's how you will get a lovely bounce. And once I'm done, I like to give it a little shake for that extra bounce and volume. And one last time, if you want, you can just take one small section from the front of your head and do the same process with the biggest attachment that will give you the maximum volume. So guys, this is how my hair looks after I blow dry it. Honestly, I prefer it over a professional because they just end up damaging and breaking my hair so much. So this is it from my side for this video, and if you like watching this video, please show me some love by clicking on the thumbs up button in the bottom bar. Do let me know what products do you use for your hair and how often do you blow dry your hair in the comment section down below. If you want me to create such more hair videos for you guys, please do let me know in the comment section down below, and I will be happy to create that for you. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do take a moment to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and thank you so much for watching.